Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we're checking out a smart laundry solution for small spaces, the MOJOCO Portable Clothes Dryer MJC03. If you live in an apartment, dorm, RV, or travel often, this compact dryer is designed to make drying clothes quick and hassle-free. One of the best things about this mini dryer is its fast drying technology. It uses a combination of heat and airflow to dry clothes efficiently, with some lightweight items drying in as little as 20 minutes depending on fabric and moisture level. Despite its compact size, it offers a capacity for up to 9 garments at once, making it perfect for small laundry loads like shirts, underwear, baby clothes, or gym wear. The dryer also includes an adjustable timer ranging from 1 to 8 hours, allowing you to customize drying time based on the type of fabric you're drying. Another great feature is the portable and foldable design. It's lightweight, easy to carry, and doesn't require complicated installation. Just plug it in and hang your damp clothes inside the drying bag. That makes it ideal for small apartments, travel, or camping trips. It also runs quietly compared to traditional dryers, so you can use it without disturbing others in shared spaces or at night. On top of that, the dryer includes a built-in LED UV light that helps sanitize clothes during the drying process, adding an extra layer of cleanliness. Overall, the MOJOCO Portable Clothes Dryer MJC03 is a compact, energy-efficient, and convenient solution for anyone who needs a quick way to dry small loads of laundry without a full-size dryer. If you want to grab it for the best price, make sure to click the link below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.